Monkey in Spanish is jungle.
Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, this time I'm using my crayons. I'm gonna take the brown color. Brown in Spanish is café. And I'm gonna start tracing a big circle that it almost take all my page. So this big circle in Spanish we say círculo grande. Now I'm gonna do the hair on the top and it's just like two letter ends. And now the next is gonna be kind of like a heart shape. Okay, but the bottom part is gonna be really curvy, following the line that I did for my circle. Did you remember how to say circle in Spanish? That's right, círculo. Now let's do the ears. It's just two half circles. And for the body, I'm just gonna do two diagonal lines to the bottom. And now let's start coloring. We're gonna fast forward this part, but remember, you can pause the video to matching the coloring I did. Okay, now that it's done, let's grab black color. Black in Spanish is negro. And we're gonna trace two ovals for the eyes. Oval, we said óvalo. Now, let's do two little ovals for nostrils and a little smile. Now, let's fill this with black. Okay, the last step to finish this monkey is to take your skin color. It's kind of like a light orange. And we're gonna do a half a circle over the nostrils that we did. And now we're just gonna fill that all over that half a circle we just did. Now it's done, we finished this monkey. So remember, monkey in Spanish is chango. Thank you for trying along with me. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.